Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm making British most treasured national dish. It's a dish that typically includes bacon, sausage, eggs, baked beans, tomatoes, mushroom, toast, and a beverage such as coffee or tea. So this is the sausage. I've just preheated my oven on gas mark 6, and I'll be putting the sausage in the oven for about 18 minutes. So after about 9 minutes in the oven, I'm going to turn over the sausage so the other end of it can get roasted as well. So I'm making this breakfast for 3, so that's why I'm using this much of sausage. So if it's for 1, typically 2 sausage or 3 should be fine for 1 person per serving. So we're just 3, so using this much. So guys, here's the bacon. I got this bacon from Asda. If you've watched my previous video, you saw I stocked up on some breakfast stuff. So I'll be using this bacon. It's called cooking bacon. Yeah, so I prefer this one. Everyone with their choice. So I'll be grilling the bacon. Sometimes it comes in whole, some in piece, but I quite prefer it, yeah, just stripes like this. So I'll be grilling the bacon. I'm preheating my grill. So guys, I'll be putting my bacon on the grill. So I prefer using this grill for my bacon because it drains off that excess salt that bacon has. So instead of using the pan and the water keeps building up, so it drains it off here, right here. So I prefer this bacon. I don't know why I prefer this bacon, but I think it has more of meat and less of fat. This fat is toast. So I quite prefer this, unlike some other brand of bacon. Although sometimes it has so many tiny pieces like this, which I hate. I don't know why. You want what? So this is just like sharp English breakfast, huh? Please, British people, don't come for me. Oh. If I'm not doing it right, you people should bear with me. It's not my food. And I came to this country and I learned how to do this, so bear with me. Yeah. My breakfast is akara and akamu. That's the one I know how to make very well from my sleep. Chichi, what are you saying? Anything I say, you chorus it. So I'll just leave this bit. I might use this for cooking noodles. So this is about 4 minutes in, and it's all cooking nicely, and you see the salty water is draining out. So that's the good thing about this, using a grill. You can also use a pan, and you can also throw it in the oven, so that's also helpful. It can drain off all this salty water as well. See why I like this bacon? It's very thick and meaty. But I'm still going to dry it up. It's not ready yet. Not yet. So I'm just flipping it. Not yet. Not yet. I know you like bacon, you like sausage, yeah? Yeah. I know. Chikamso loves this breakfast because she likes meat. Chikamso, you need to You need to dislike meat too. You need to become vegan. What do you think? No. So let me leave it for a bit. I've just flipped it. So this is the mushroom. I will slice it up. And yes. Oh, that's beautiful. I have so many distractions in the kitchen. So these tomatoes washed up. So I'm going to slice them. I'll be using the grill for that. I love using the grill for mushroom because it doesn't shrink. Just as I said, the water, the liquid in the mushroom drains off down the grill, so it doesn't build up the water in it and cook it too long. I don't know, how do I explain this now? You guys will see what I mean. Yeah, that's just it. You see what I mean. So I'll be slicing up the mushroom just like this. Yeah, that's a lot of mushroom because we love mushroom. Oh, just a quick reminder, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, just click that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel so you get more interesting videos. It's up to you. You can use one, you can use two. Not really this much. So guys, I'll be putting the mushroom in here. Yeah, I've just taken off the bacon. So with the bacon juice, the bacon juice you know, the bacon is salty, so that will help with the salt I need for the mushroom. So I'll just line it up. So I've noticed whenever I cook I fry the mushroom in the pan, the liquid, the juicy part of the mushroom, when it comes off, it makes the mushroom too soft. So I think it's because the mushroom, the water that builds up out of the mushroom is also helping in the cooking process of the mushroom, so that makes the mushroom too cooked and too tender. So grilling it helps it to drain off the liquid. Grilling the mushroom is my preference for now, but it still comes out nice when you fry it in the pan with a little bit of oil. It still comes out nice. So I'm just slicing the tomatoes in half. I'll be grilling the tomatoes as well. Wow, this tomato is so fresh. Just look at that. Oh my god. It's so sweet. So after this, I'll be frying eggs. So guys, let's get into frying egg lecture. Egg frying lecture. So there are 4 basic style of fried eggs: sunny side up, over easy, over medium, over well. So it all indicates the level of doneness. So the sunny side up, the egg is fried with the yolk up and is not flipped. So over easy, the egg is flipped but the yolk is still runny. Over medium, the yolk is slightly thick. Then over well, the yolk is cooked. But I'll be using the over well method. I like my egg cooked. I don't like my egg raw. So I'll be doing the over well method where my egg is well cooked. And this method I'll be showing you guys is the best way to get a good egg, well cooked, not burnt, tastes nice and yummy. So on medium heat, I've poured in the oil, some salt, I cracked in the egg, sprinkled some salt, now the peppers, and I'll be cooking this on low heat. But I want my egg well cooked, so I'll be cooking it on low heat. Now I'm adding a bit of water. This is my trick. So I'm adding in a bit of water so the egg won't be burnt. It's well cooked, stays long in the fire but not burnt. So just a little bit of water and I'll cover it up. All that mushroom, see what is left. These are all the juice that came off from the mushroom, because I've thrown away that of the bacon. So I threw the juice that came out of the bacon, I threw that away. So now I'm putting in the tomatoes and I'll be grilling for like 2 minutes. Not too cooked, but just have that smoky, slight smoky flavor. Let's check out the egg in the pan. Wow, just look at that. So it's still cooked. The yolk at this point, the yolk is not runny, but since I'm on the overcooked method, I'm going to be flipping the egg. Just look at this. It's not burnt. It's been cooking for like 4 minutes so far. With that little water, just check this out. Oh my god. Honestly, I need to become a chef. What do you guys think? So this very nice, just something different. Growing back in Nigeria, we're also used to that scrambled egg method. So, but this is a must try. So I'm going to be adding baked beans and I'll be microwaving the baked beans. So at this point you can spice up your baked beans. You add some salt, add some pepper. You know, sometimes these baked beans it's tasteless. It can be tasteless, so sometimes I spice it up with salt and pepper and garlic just to have a different flavor. There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are. So guys, everything is ready. This is how I want the tomatoes to look like. So I'll be dishing it out. If you want some, you subscribe and I'll give you some. This tastes amazing. Just take a look at that egg. It's well cooked, guys. It's well cooked, and the bacon, everything is just spot on. Oh my god, it's yummy. So I'm having this with a cup of coffee and some bread. You can toast the bread. It's still nice. You can eat it plain. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe. Bye.